If you use Todoist every day, learning how to select multiple tasks can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of editing tasks one by one, you can mass edit, move, reschedule, or delete several tasks at once in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to select multiple tasks in Todoist on your computer and how to use the floating toolbar to make quick bulk changes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips and productivity guides. Let's jump in. First, open Todoist and go to the specific list or project where your tasks are located. This part is important because you want to be working inside the exact section that contains the tasks you want to manage. Once you're in the right list, hold down the Ctrl key if you're on Windows. If you're on a Mac, you would usually use the Command key instead. Then, while holding that key, click each individual task you want to select. You can keep clicking different tasks one by one, and Todoist will add them to your selection. This is perfect when you only want to choose a few tasks instead of selecting everything in the list. After your tasks are selected, Todoist will display a floating toolbar at the bottom or top of the screen. This toolbar gives you quick options to apply changes to all selected tasks at once. From here, you can change due dates, move projects, or adjust priority without opening each task separately. One of the most useful options is changing due dates. If several tasks need to be updated, you can reschedule them all to today, tomorrow, or even choose a custom date. This is especially helpful when your schedule changes and you need to shift a batch of work forward or backward quickly. Another useful action is moving tasks to a different project or section. If you selected the wrong list or if your tasks now belong in another folder, you can reroute the entire batch in one action. That keeps your workspace organized and helps you avoid dragging tasks individually. You can also adjust priority for multiple tasks at the same time. Todoist lets you upgrade or downgrade their flags from P1 through P4 together, so if a set of tasks becomes more urgent, you can mark them all as higher priority instantly. And if your list is cluttered, this same multi-select workflow is also useful for deleting several tasks together when you no longer need them. The key thing to remember is that Ctrl-click selection is the fastest way to build a custom batch of tasks in Todoist. Just select the items you want, use the floating toolbar, and apply your changes in one step. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in how fast you manage your daily workflow. If this video helped you, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next Todoist tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.